Your complete HUF account onboarding journey step by step. Enter your mobile number, click Get OTP, enter the OTP received and click Verify. Enter your email address or continue with Google. If you enter your email address manually, click Get OTP, enter the OTP received and click Verify. Enter the HUF PN details, upload the PAN card and click Verify and continue. Upload the HUF Deed and HUF Stamp. Then click Confirm and continue. Complete the Karta's DigiLocker verification process. Enter the Karta's personal details and financial details. Then enter the HUF address details and upload the address proof, bank statement to be uploaded as the address proof. Enter the details of all co-partners. Click Complete Co-partners and then click Finalize and Submit. Review and accept the standing instructions. Complete the in-person verification IPV. Upload the income proof. This is mandatory for HUF account opening. Complete the bank account verification process. Accept the consent and authorization. Then click Proceed to e-sign. Complete the e-sign process to successfully submit the HUF account opening application.